Students, now I am going to start the combination of cell. At first, I start the series combination. We are taking the two cells. One is this, another is this. EMF of this first cell is E1 and this is the E2. And internal resistance of this cell is R1 and internal resistance of this cell is R2, and the combination, there are two terminals, one is this is A and that is the B. Now connect the external resistance R with these terminals, and suppose I is the electric current, and now I am going to find the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance. Suppose there is one cell of EMF E and R, and there is same resistance R, and it provides the same current I, then this cell is equivalent of these two cells. This is the concept of the combination of cell. Now start how to calculate the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance. For this, suppose at point A the electric potential is VA, means this is the potential energy for unit charge at A. Now I am going to use the concept of the work energy. I think it is better to use the concept of energy in solving the circuit based problem. And for this, suppose at this point the potential energy for unit charge is VA, this is the VA, and you know that in the direction of electric current through the resistance, the potential energy will decrease for the unit charge, means potential will decrease, and this potential is equal to I into R. So there is a loss of the potential energy by IR, and at this point this is the potential, means this is the potential energy for unit charge, and there is no any change in the potential because there is no any resistance here, and at this point there, and between this point there is an internal resistance R2, means resistance of the electrolyte, resistance between the electrolytes of the between the plates of the cell of the electrolyte, and so there is also a loss of energy, and this is IR2, and the cell will provide an additional EMF, means potential difference, by E2, and I am going from lower to higher, so plus E2, and again there is a loss, that is the IR1, and gain is the E1, and so I come at this point, and this point the energy is VA. So this is the relation, very simple, and then VA and VA will cancel, and so this is the minus I R minus I R1 minus I R2 plus E1 plus E2 इज इक्वल टू 0। यानी हम ये कह सकते हैं कि एक क्लोज्ड लूप में जहां से मैंने जर्नी किया था वहां पहुंच गए, तो कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स के अगेंस्ट कोई वर्क होता है तो वो पाथ पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है, वो पॉइंट पे डिपेंड करता है। तो फिर ए पॉइंट पे पहुंच गए, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में। यानी कि इसीलिए सारे चेंज को, ये चेंज नेगेटिव हुआ, ये चेंज नेगेटिव हुआ, ये चेंज नेगेटिव हुआ, दोनों चेंज पॉजिटिव हुआ, तो सब चेंज को मैंने अलजेब्राइक सम किया। क्या क्या चेंज हुआ? नेगेटिव को नेगेटिव चेंज, नेगेटिव चेंज नेगेटिव चेंज, पॉजिटिव चेंज पॉजिटिव चेंज, और सारे चेंज को जीरो किया। और इसलिए जीरो किया क्योंकि कंजर्वेटिव इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स के अगेंस्ट अगर क्लोज लूप में कोई वर्क होगा तो वहां पर वो पाथ से इंडिपेंडेंट होगा, पॉइंट डिपेंडेंट होगा और जीरो होंगे, इसलिए जीरो हुआ। ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं, या आप एनर्जी से स्टार्ट कीजिए, डिक्रीज करते करते वहां तक पहुंचे, दोनों ही रिजल्ट आपको एक ही देगा। एंड देन वी कैन से दैट दिस आई इज इक्वल टू R plus R1 plus R2 minus sign is here plus E1 plus E2 is equal to 0, and so this I R plus R1 plus R2 minus E1 plus E2, and this I is equal to E1 plus E2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now if this cell is equivalent of these two cells in series, then the I is equal to, this is equation first, and this I is equal to E divided by here, and total resistance is R plus R, so R plus R. Thus we can say that the E is means equivalent EMF is E1 plus E2. Yani we can say that in this case of series combination, the equivalent EMF is E1 plus E2, and equivalent internal resistance, this is R, and here R1 plus R2, so R is equal to R1 plus R2. This is the equivalent. One thing that is important, that here the positive negative ऑर्डर में ये कनेक्ट है। अगर ऐसा नहीं हो, पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव ऐड होता, अगर ऐसे होता, ऐसा ऐड होता अगर, तो साइन ऑफ दिस इज वन इज पॉजिटिव, अनदर इज नेगेटिव, सो हम तब यहाँ पर E लिखते E1 माइनस E2 या E2 माइनस E1 जो भी बड़ा होता। तो ये ध्यान रखना है, दिस इज द केस ऑफ द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन, एंड इन दिस कमीशन द इक्विवेलेंट EMF इज दिस, और दिस इज द इक्विवेलेंट इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस।